Hey guys, welcome back to day 10 of Cookmas, and today we are not cooking, but we are organizing my pantry. So I am just trying to get my life together, okay? The kitchen looks horrible. As you can see, I kind of just threw stuff in there, and it's kind of organized. I tried, but I'm going to get it as straight and as neat as possible. And I'm also going to be doing my seasoning cabinet as well. As you can see, everything is just unorganized and I absolutely cannot stand it. I actually might have to break this video up into like 3 different parts, but we're just going to start off with the pantry first. And these are some of the other cabinets I need to get organized. So I'm just getting started by taking things out of my cabinet, and then I'm going to replace where I think everything should go. I kind of want to put the things that I don't really use on a daily at the top, so I won't have to get on my step, as you can see right now. And everything that I use more frequently or day to day, I'm going to put towards the bottom. And I'm also making sure I wipe down the countertops because there was some stickiness and just crumbs from like the flour and the sugar and everything. So I just wanted to make sure I wipe that down. This is the before. And this is after. And it's not perfect, but it looks 1,000 times better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.